Driver assist technology is pretty amazing, but it only works if drivers know how to use it properly and safely.
Driving dynamics has been around for over 30 years, and we are at the forefront of some new dynamic changing technology that is brought about by what everyone sees today, and that's driver assist technology. And what we're hearing from our clients is as follows. It's paradoxical that actually accidents with the new technology, whether it's lane departure or forward collision mitigation, is actually increasing accidents or leveling at the same. And in doing a deep dive over this time with us, what we've learned is as follows: that technology is wonderful, but like most technology, it's as good as the person using it, understanding it, and being educated about what it is and what it isn't. So what we've done is take our Driving Dynamics 1 Second Advantage and incorporated and refreshed to incorporate what a driver who gets in a vehicle, what this technology means, what it doesn't mean, how to use it properly. Without that, it's another technology looking for a training solution.